Hey, good morning. Sitting out here on one of our food plots. Just got done finishing up a coyote hunt. Wasn't successful there. I was kind of surprised we didn't see any coyotes come into the call, but we had that northwest wind. I think it feels like 18, 19 degrees right now, and just that's kind of the way hunting goes. But while we were down here, I wanted to introduce you guys to what we're using on quite a few of our food plots. And this particular piece of property, we've got some cows that run in here during certain times of the year. When we're moving them from one pasture area to another. But we've got a food plot here. It's about about half an acre to 3/4 an acre back in through there, and then it wraps around the corner there. But to protect this from our cattle, we actually use an electric fence. So what we've got is we've got this electric fence that goes all the way to the fence line there, and then it goes all the way around this food plot until our next fence line over there. So I think we've got roughly maybe 140 yards worth of electric fence here. But it works out really well. That way you kind of got your cattle out there, and that they kind of stay out there in the pasture area, and they don't ever cross over into your food plot. But one thing I just actually just put in here the last couple of weeks is an actual system to get in and out of this food plot area. And I just picked these things up from our local ag, and that's makes it really really easy to get in and out of there, and then just twist right on like that. I've got two of those, one for the barbed wire and then one for the actual electric fence. The electric fence wire is the only one I'm running electricity to, and that works out really well. This particular food plot, I'll tell you the strategy that we've got on this. We actually put this in Big and Beastie from Frigid Forage, and what we end up going with is about July. We'll keep this thing mowed just with our Swisher brush hog throughout the entire year, because we got some turkeys coming here and everything. But what we'll do to replant this is we'll come in here with a Swisher 44-inch cut, rough cut there. Then about late July, early August, we'll come in here with our workhorse sprayer that's got the boom on the back of it. I haul with the UTV, spray all this stuff down, and then after that we'll wait a couple weeks, and then once we got some rain in the forecast, I'll come out here and broadcast that Frigid Forage, Big and Beastie, or Autumn Quick Plot, or any of those products from Frigid Forage work out really well. But this is something that I don't ever till any of my food plots. So if you got if you don't have the Swisher rough cut or a brush hog to use, or a workhorse sprayer, that doesn't mean you're done. You can't do it. I've when I first started doing food plots, I was the guy out there with the weed eater, going back and forth. On plots, this size or maybe even a little bit bigger. It took a lot of hard work, but if you got the time and willing to do it, it definitely pays off in the long run. And then, I first started off with just a pump sprayer, I think like for 15, 16 bucks at Walmart, and that worked out pretty good. And then I upgraded to the backpack sprayer, and then now I've got the boom sprayer from Workhorse. But another key product that we're using on this particular piece is they're actually on all of our pieces of property are Analogic supplements. We roll with the Analogic protein blocks as well as the mineral dirt here, and then we've just recently started introducing our deer to the NIX, a new product there from 2019 from Analogic, and I think it's going to work out really good. When we came in here this morning, there was quite a few deer already in here, and as you can see, those deer have flat demolished it. This isn't going to be your outdoor channel food plot by no means, but I will show on this video what this actually turned out to be in October and November, because it's unbelievable how much food that those deer can take in, as well as creating that food plot like I've done. So if you guys are looking to get into the food plot, you got cattle, definitely I think this is a really good idea to go down, or at least a starting point. So if you guys have got some other ideas you guys have used in the past or been thinking about it, I'd love to hear from you guys. So hopefully you guys have been having a great weekend and enjoyed the upcoming week and get out there in nature some.